Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So, soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device did not respond to your touches, it freezes and you have no idea what to do. Then you can try to force restart it, and to do that we have to press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together and wait. We should see the black screen, then the developer's logo, and the device should be turned on again. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. And as you can see here, we've got the option to restart, but let's ignore it. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it manually. So as you can see right now, we've got the black screen. I felt the vibration, and right now I can see the developer's logo, which simply means that in a second this device will be automatically restarted and hopefully work properly. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to soft reset your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.